Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for 20,000 subscribers. That is bonkers. This is certainly not a like celebration video by any means because today we're working on a Dodge. This is David's Charger RT Daytona, so it doesn't have that goofy spoiler. It's got this cool one, which you'll also find on the Scat Pack and the Hellcat. This means you can put in this Wicker bill thing from ZL1 Addons, and that is exactly what we are installing for David's birthday. So let's see if we can make this line up straight. I'm not gonna help, I'm just gonna drink and film. So let's see if this looks as good as it looks on the internet. Before you go getting all pissed off that we didn't clean the car, we did. This part's clean. We're not gonna go and wipe the whole car off. It is winter.
All right, you ready? One.
I'm gonna provide a link to this Wicker bill kit in the description. It was absolutely not sponsored. I paid full price for this and I like it. It's gonna provide a little downforce. I don't think that's actually the point. It's more of an appearance thing as far as the Charger goes. Maybe if we were talking about like the Corvette or a Camaro that was gonna see some serious track duty, this would be a little more effective in that way. But the Charger's rear end probably doesn't need much more downforce. This thing weighs quite a bit. This is certainly not a DIY, but I hope it gave you a little more insight into what it looks like when you do these types of installations and the kind of frustrations that we ran into, which I probably glossed over and made look super easy. But if you do it, enjoy. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing.
Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
Don't forget to respect the drive. All right, I'm gonna try to do this intro for a second. Let's see how this goes.
We can still talk, right? Or no?